To start off, here we have a case study that we feel best illustrates the impact of our solutions. Here we have Wilson, a shipper who needs a container delivered from Hamburg to New York. His current concerns include the need for the best price, which is cheap and reliable, his uncertainty on the most efficient route, and his need for full access information of his shipment and its live tracking.
Thank you, Johan, for opening that case. Currently, based on our research, KN offers customer the top-of-the-line logistics functionalities in the logistics provider domain. These functionalities include the customer's exploring of transportation services, getting appropriate quoting, booking, transporting, payment, and ultimately service delivery. Working for tomorrow digitalized supply chain solution, our research shows that these systems can be optimized to better fulfill Wilson and other customer satisfaction in a digitalized future. As a result, Team Logistics Changer went out in the field and collected real-life data from the customers about their challenges. And the data collected was used to create the following areas of solution: smart pricing, planning, real-life stakeholder collaboration, and data-driven services.
We went ahead to interview up to 19 customers and find out what they perceive as the logistics world of the future. In regards to technology, artificial intelligence, Internet of Things, and big data will be highly impactful. On the contrary to some of our expectations, automated transportation is not seen to have high impact in the future. In addition, other influential factors include small smart devices, sustainability, and risk management. In regards to the logistics service provider, a collaborative approach in service delivery is expected. In regards to the customer future expectations from the logistics service provider, big data management, process management, and predictive capabilities are highly anticipated. Further consolidations, automated inventory replenishment, and adoption of IoT and big data-based technologies is expected from the logistics provider. Visibility and cost reduction are also seen to be very critical to the customer's personal distribution model. Apart from the information received from the customers, we went ahead to find out from experts and various scholars what are the different trends that will influence the supply chain of the future. As seen in the chart, in regards to technological trends, Internet of Things and sensors are expected to highly influence monitoring conditions and transport information. In regards to blockchain, little influence is expected due to the current developments within the technology. Analytics and artificial intelligence are expected to have a high impact within the various value levels seen on the chart. Cloud computing and APIs are also expected to have an impact. In regards to microeconomic and logistic trends, we see social media, direct-to-customer delivery, the future of work, collaboration, sustainability, risk, and uncertainties as factors that will influence the logistics world of the future.
Based on the analysis conducted by logistic changers take an approach to provide solution to some of Wilson's pain points and address the issue customers are expecting in the future. Smart pricing is one of the solutions logistic changers look into. Due to high uncertainties in logistic and microeconomic trends, such as fluctuating freight rate and unpredictability in transportation route, data-driven approach will be used by KN, leveraging on big data and artificial intelligence system to provide technological capabilities for smart pricing to customers. Another approach the logistic changers look into is data-driven services. Data-driven services are basically value-added services that KN would provide to her customers. Already, KN have compendium of information from big data. KN artificial intelligence system will enable customers to understand the dynamics of freight capacity and freight capacity in different sectors based on production, demand, and supply for better planning.
Design and planning are critical points to build efficient and responsive supply chains. In this sense, we want to leverage on the power of new emerging technologies as predictive analytics to provide the customers with new insights of the market and valuable information. Main part of our solution consists of reducing the uncertainty in the container transport segment for KN customers. As we see on these days, it is a very volatile market since the rates are considerably fluctuating day to day. To tackle this problem and improve decision-making, we want to provide KN platform users with an accurate forecasting on freight rates on a daily or on a weekly basis. And in this way, shippers will have better tools to know when is the right time to ship their goods and might be able to react to rapid shifts in the market. It will be possible through machine learning models that are using historical data as an input to produce reliable predictions. The next step to improve planning processes focus on delivering better information on cargo transit times to the customers. In the future, we see that KN can create value by offering precise estimated delivery time to the final customer destination, and not only to the destination port, as some carriers are offering nowadays. It has become a critical point in the shipping industry as irregularities will lead to more delays further down the supply chain. By having information of the transit time beforehand, customers may take better decisions on transport mode, whether rail or truck, inventory buffers management, and know if they will incur in demurrage and detention charges. Digital collaboration is a key factor in the future to enhance customer experience when sourcing logistics services and facilitate coordination of multiple decisions and activities among supply chain partners. We see this happening over the KN platform, where users will be allowed to share information and exchange different documents as customs paperwork, electronic bill of ladings, and insurance policies. To achieve this, a message center is to be added into the functionalities of the platform in order to bring together all persons involved in the transportation process into the same conversation. Effective flow of information is still challenging along the supply chain entities, especially often when more than 20 parties are involved in one shipment. Therefore, this functionality will permit better communication since we don't see an analog emails playing an important role in the flow of information anymore.
So here we are with the platform of the future. Essentially for Wilson, this means that he's more secure and happy with his choice of transporter, and with continuous improvements upon these technologies, we can expect to see his customer experience improve continuously. And in turn, Wilson can achieve effectiveness and efficiency in his own operations that increases his profits.